guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AI with Value. Are you prepared to deep dive into the world Python and its vast array of libraries? Get set to embark on an adventure from the fundamentals to mastering advanced technique. Because in this series, we are your guide to Python proficiency. In today's tech dynamic arena, Python reigns as supreme as a go-to language for a multitude of tasks, be it web development, data analysis, machine learning, or artificial intelligence. Whether you are a seasoned coder or just starting your journey, understanding Python and its library is essential for pushing the boundaries of what possible in the digital world. Join me for a mere 30 minutes a day and I'll equip you with an arsenal you need to excel in Python programming. Together, we unravel the mysteries of syntax, explore the depths of data manipulation, and harness the power of libraries to supercharge our progress. But wait, there's a twist. I have curated a roadmap tailored specifically for the series, guiding you through topics ranging from basic programming concepts to cutting edge library applications, introduction, installation of Python, basics of Python, control flow, data structures, functions and modules, object-oriented programming language, exception handling, file handling, regular expressions, advanced topics with Python, working with different topics, libraries and frameworks, best practices and tips, working with Visual Studio, Capstone project using Python. You won't just learn theory, you'll dive into hands-on exercises, ensuring you are trying to tackle real-world challenges with technical skills. Hold on to your seat because this series isn't just about Python. Over the next 6 months, we will journey through an array of captivating topics, including NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Flask, and much more. So, are you ready to elevate your skills and accompany me on this? Smash that like button, share the excitement with your friends who are ready to build their transformative journey together and build a successful career in the IT industry. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video of this electrifying series.